Hey guys, welcome to the Reach tutorial. Today we're mainly just going to focus on the Player tab. Now the Player tab was designed to allow you guys access to each one of your players. Now you can see up top here, this is the list of your players throughout all your facilities or even your departments. To the right here is just an icon of that particular player, but I think the more important part is this restart button. So this gives you complete access to restart any of your players. The tabs below, the property tab, now that's just the basic information of that particular player. The stream schedule allows you guys to change different layouts throughout the day. And what I mean by that is that you could have one layout run through the morning, and then you could have a completely different layout running through the day. And now the TV tab, actually that one's kind of still in works, so you can go ahead and just kind of ignore that TV tab. Now going back to the property part, you can see we have this UUID. And basically what that UUID is, it's just a unique number the player is given. Now this is more for our internal use, but basically every player that we create, it generates a unique UUID. Now the information below, player name, building, and location, this is actually an important part. If you have multiple locations, we definitely recommend that you guys let us know where those screens are going. And the reason for it is that if anything does go wrong and our IT team needs to get involved, we know exactly what player to look at. Now you can see how organized this is. You know, what if you had 3 screens on the first floor? Well, looking here, I can know that it's in the lobby on the first floor, or maybe it's by the bathrooms. Little information like that makes such a big deal. And not only for ourselves, but even yourself. Because if you at any point needed to restart or you wanted to know information about that player, you would be able to find that particular one. So we highly encourage that we get this information to make it easy for both parties. Now this auto config name, this is really how the software is connected. Now just so you understand, we actually download our software through a URL. So what we do is we open up Chrome, we put this link in there, and the software starts to download. Once it's done downloading, it will restart your player automatically. When it comes back up, goes online, you'll see this white screen and it'll have a wheel spinning, and in there it will say registering. Below will be a series of numbers that kind of look like this. Those are the numbers we need to hook up the software. Once it's hooked up, then again you would see your live layout or your signage displaying. So down below here is just a note section. As a default, it's just letting you know who created that player and when, but you can definitely delete that and enter your own information in. Now to the right, we obviously have the make and model of that particular player and then the time zone you're in. Now this daily restart, we have a begin and an end time. What that is that it's a part where it refreshes the player software. So we have it as a default set to overnight. But again, what it's doing is that it's not rebooting the player itself, it's just refreshing the software. So if our developers add any more enhancements to the actual software, it will automatically download during this time